அவர்களை பற்றி ஆங்கிலத்தில் உரையாட வந்திருக்கிறார் நமது 5ஆம் வகுப்பு மாணவி தீபிகா அவர்களை மேடை கிடைக்கின்றோம். இப்ப கைத்தட்டுங்க, உற்சாகப்படுத்துங்க. பேசட்டு பாப்பா பேசுவார்.
APJ Abdul Kalam. Good afternoon. Respected principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. My name is Deepika. I am here to speak a few words about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. He was the 11th President of India. He was born on October 15th in 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Kalam's full name was Saul Bahir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. His contribution to ISRO is remarkable. He played an important role in the development at Prithvi and Agni missile. He is also famous missile man of India. He was honored with India biggest civil award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1997. His autobiography, Wings of Fire, is famous among students. He was a man of simple living and high thinking. He took his last breath on 27th July 2015 in Shillong. At last, I would like to say that his life is an inspiration for all of us. Thank you.
நன்றி.